Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Pod and welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. In this video, I will introduce my playlist, Python MySQL playlist, and in this series, we will learn how to connect Python with MySQL and how to build real-world applications using Python MySQL connections. As we all know that Python is very powerful for data processing and automation, and it is a easy language to learn also. While MySQL is one of the most popular database, it is used to store and manage data efficiently. It is secured also because it asks passwords. It has another functionalities like view functionality, multi-author authentication control functionality, and that's why it is more used instead of our normal SQL, normal Excel files. So MySQL is one of the most popular database used to store and manage data efficiently. And by combining Python and MySQL, we create applications such as login systems, inventory management tools, employee databases, finance records. Some of our real-world applications are already existing, like IRCTC applications, train booking application, your HR management application like Oracle's Telio software, you can say, or any kind of database connected applications you can build. Your SBI Yono application is one of the best example where you connect Python with MySQL. And throughout this playlist, we will cover installation, connection setup, CRUD operations. CRUD operations means create, retrieve, update, and delete operations, SQL queries, and many more best practices. Whether you are a student or a working professional, this course will help you build practical database-driven projects confidently. So let's get started. In this any dummy folder, you just click right click and go to open with VS Code. Okay, now your VS Code terminal will open. Your VS Code ID will open. Here you will create app.py file because it is a Python file. Okay. Now we will create a virtual environment. Here, creating virtual environment is important because it helps us manage project-specific libraries and dependencies separately. Every Python project may require different versions of packages. If we install everything globally, then there will be another conflicts like version conflicts. Like 1 year ago, my application was working with a version of library, let's say NumPy 1.1, but after 1 year, NumPy version got updated to 2.5, and now my application is not running. This is called as version conflicts and errors. To avoid these, a virtual environment creates a isolated workspace where only the required packages are installed for the project, keeping the system clean and organized. It also makes sharing projects easier because others can install the exact same dependency using requirement.txt file. However, using virtual environments leads to a better project stability, easier debugging, and more professional development practices. That's why we are going to create a virtual environment. Now, to create a virtual environment, I will press Control hyphen. Hyphen means it is adjacent to number one button. Here, I will write down Python hyphen m v and I will give name for example py sqlenv okay, and I will hit enter. Now the virtual environment is created. See, I have used this PySQL env name because from my experience, I have seen like if you have same name of virtual environments, like many times developers use VNV environment names, and there are duplicate VNV environment names. So our application may track that environment, and again we got a lot of errors and our application will not run. So to avoid this duplicacy, We use different environment names. Whatever your project, you can use Python SQL environment name, different SQL names. Okay. Now let's wait for this virtual environment creation. I think the virtual environment is created. Uh, so I will delete this terminal. Again, open the terminal. Um, let's see. I will press Control Shift P. I will select the Python environment. I have just tried how to create a virtual environment. Now I have changed some settings. So just you just have to write down your virtual environment name. EYSQLENV slash scripts slash activate and hit enter. Then your virtual environment is created. Now you have to make a requirement.txt file. Requirement.txt file. In this requirement.txt file, you have to write down the libraries of what you require. MySQL connector Python. Now you have to install this library. Um, first of all, you have to Python um, -m pip install upgrade pip so that your pip will get upgraded and your previous version of pip will be uninstalled. You see, we have successfully uninstalled our previous version of pip, and for 2 3 seconds, a new version of pip will be installed. Then we will install our requirement.txt file. We will save this requirement.txt file and so that we can install this library, MySQL connector. I hope you can see this. Yes, I will just zoom in. Mm, okay, yes. So we will now install our requirement.txt file. Control save. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Hit enter. Now your MySQL connector will be installed. Now we will import MySQL connector. MySQL connector. MySQL dot connector. Sorry, MySQL dot connector and see, this line imports MySQL dot connector module, which allows Python to connect and interact with MySQL database. After that, we will create a MyDB variable where MySQL dot connector dot connect, and here in the parenthesis we will give the host name and user and password. We will give, you can see, we will give the credentials, necessary credentials. Host will be is equals to localhost, localhost. I hope you have installed MySQL where you need a password. You have set the password The same password we are going to give here. Uh, User will be root. After that, comma. Don't forget to put comma because it will throw error. Password. Password will be is equals to your password. My password is password at the rate 123, and after that you don't have to give comma, and then we will write print mydb, my variable. See, I will explain you this code line by line. First line means import a MySQL connector. This line imports a MySQL connector module, MySQL.connector module, which allows Python to connect and interact with MySQL databases. After that, MySQL dot connector connect a host, user, password. Uh, uh, this creates a connection object named mydb. This object we have created this object. It stores the connection details, the credentials, and allows Python to communicate with the database. Host will be equals to localhost specifies the database server is running on the same computer. User will be equal to root. This is a MySQL username we are using to log in. Here the username is root, and password is this is my password. You can use your password for MySQL, and after that we are closing the connection loop by giving close parenthesis. After that we have write print mydb. This prints the connection details to confirm that the connection was successful or not. Now we will run our application. Python app.py, hit enter. Now you can see. Now you can see Python. I forgot to save this code, so please save the code. The white dot should not be there. Python app.py. You will see yes, mysql.connector.connection. See exist dot see mysql connection object at this. And this line shows that our uh, MySQL database is connected to Python. Now, whatever the code we write, we do CRUD operations, create, retrieve, update, delete. It will be directly connected with our MySQL database. It will show the changes in MySQL database. So this is very important to make a database connected applications using Python. So so thank you for watching today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how Python connects MySQL and understood the basics clearly. This is just the beginning. In the next session, we will explore CRUD operations, create, retrieve, update, delete, writing SQL queries, and developing practical real-life database projects. If this video helps you, please support the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your feedback encourages me to bring more high quality content for you. Also, share this video with your friends who are learning Python and database development. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep learning. Thank you.
Subscribe to my channel.